Students ain't safe in the school now. Middle of the jungle, so it's ruled out. Cop a ladder or the adjutant to the kill count. Call the homie, know he float me up a discount. 100 flips, make the work do a dismount. Back cave in your chest for the home run. Still fade like the best, I don't need guns. But grab a mag from the safe if you need one. I was taught to represent the fam, but the curse got us snapping like the branch. And the root of the plants is the big black stigma. Still smoke cigs, still sip liquor. That don't kill a nigga, then the police kill quicker. Look, no backpack, got black tracks and tax wax for the new batch of rap snacks and flake prices. If the fakes can cut cake, I need slices. I'm the ace that stack decks, the pot rises. Play games with God, you get the worst prizes. Hello, ghetto, I wanna settle the difference of each other for less blood in the meadow. You get the memo, even thugs gon' keep it mellow. Cause black power's still something special. Rock solid, but not heavy metal, lest we totin' on some heavy metals. Bitch, I slip not. Fuck your click, bitch, this my spot. Learn the cake tastes like Betterment. You out of sync, niggas rapping for the betterment. In my opinion, all you other niggas meddling or just settling, knowing that it won't last long. This an age game chained to a sad song. Queen's Cameron on the board wouldn't move wrong. I got motion in the town, put a crown on. Riding dirty niggas, put a clean frown on. Friends turn to enemies on the dial tone. Snake move like Medusa in the do-rag. Split smoke the only time a nigga gets stoned. Brown flow, all father got a new bag. Half you niggas underground trying to get owned. Not from Atlanta, about my paper like I'm New Jazz. Take heed. Been a long time coming and shit. Think I care that they hate on me? I'm one of the best. You're supposed to. Real. I need all the hate. Go. I need all the hate. Go. Take your favorite rapper body as piranha bait. He gon' die over pride, let him seal his fate. I go dumb quick. Me and Shawty always argue over dumb shit. But she get woozy after taken by the tongue flick. No just say, but at my lowest I went numb quick. Nigga said it's facts, he don't know shit. Could be rapping with them fakes, but my soul stitched. Plus the bro switch. Niggas dead on the streets, I got foes pissed. He steady stressing about that God, he so restless. I'm so slept on. I see niggas hard-headed, but not headstrong. Know your daddy long-legged, but don't step wrong. Might get stepped on. Every day another rapper get his head blown. And all them niggas that's around him kiss their headstones. I need all the hate, shorty give me all the face. I done passed niggas speeding, I be switching lanes. Shorty dancing off the shot, but I ain't Tory Lanez. She played the baby while she bop, she let me see the wave. With that guitar with the box, I'ma need a shake. Have them bleeding through their eyes, I don't need a snake. Flowing Plymouth Rock, throw them in the cave. On my mind been a bitch, man, I'm Killgrave. Smoking perp, man. You smoking dirt, but ain't been talking to the earth, man. Flip a quarterback sack to the last gram. Go from imported into corporate like I'm Unc Sam. Free smoke with the Drake, you get one dance. Free smoke with the Drake, you get one dance. God.